Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin with 2 quick checks. Confirm your iPhone is unlocked and note if low power mode or screen time restrictions are enabled because they affect sleep options. Now open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Once you're in Display and Brightness, look for Auto Lock. That's the sleep timer. If you use screen time or a managed device, make sure you have permission to change Auto Lock. This prepares you to set the exact sleep interval momentarily. You'll now change the sleep time. Tap Auto Lock and pick a duration that fits you: 30 seconds, 1, 2, 5, 10 minutes, or never. Make sure to consider battery life. Shorter times save battery, longer times are convenient. Once done, exit Settings and test by leaving the screen idle to confirm it sleeps at the chosen interval. If low power mode is active, remember iOS may override and lock at 30 seconds. Turn it off if you need longer. Finish by testing your choice. Leave the phone idle and observe when it sleeps. If auto lock won't save or reverts, check screen time restrictions or mobile device management profiles. You may need to disable or update those. If low power mode forced short sleep, toggle it off in Settings Battery. As a final step, restart the iPhone to clear glitches. This often resolves settings that won't stick. If problems persist, contact the device administrator.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.